Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this video or where you're watching it from. This is Integrity-Shoprite Nigerian Limited, where we give you the best and affordable goods you ever wish to get here in Lagos Island Market. So here is a cartridge filter, Legend cartridge filter. So it's a very good and comfortable equipment that you really need for your home to purify your water. To purify your water, remove chlorine, organic chemicals, unpleasant odors and colors. The end result is pure crystal clear mineral water. So it helps you to get the best water you ever need. Coupled to our environment, Lagos, we discovered that getting a good water is always difficult. But with this Legend cartridge filter, it will bring the best of water you ever wish to get. So, like we always say, integrity is better than money. That's our logo in Integrity-Shoprite. So, we value your integrity and the delivery of our clients' goods more than even the money. So your satisfaction has always been our desire, and we are here to serve you better. God bless you. We wish to have more business deal with you, and we expect your patronage more. So you can reach out to us if you are interested in getting this particular package. Thanks and God bless you.